Good evening, friends, and welcome to the weekly wrap of this week. We will first talk about the weeks which have gone by in this month. Friends, if you remember in the April expiry, which happened on 29th of April, the Nifty took support at 14,900. Thereafter, friends, 14,900 has been acting as a critical resistance for Nifty, and Nifty has not been able to give a closing above 14,900. And friends, in the week which ended on 6th of May, we hardly moved in the whole week. Nifty opened for that week at around 14,747 and closed at 14,723. So hardly any movement in the first week of May. What happened this week? This week Nifty opened at 14,823 and made a down move of 165 points to close at 14,696 in today's expiry, friends. In today's expiry, I was expecting levels of 14,770 to 14,830 to be the expiry level today. But friends, the kind of selling which came in the last 1 hour took the index below 14,700 and it took support at 14,650 before bouncing back to close near to 14,700. Friends, had it not been the expiry day today, the index would not have taken support at 14,650 and would have actually breached the level of 14,650 and should have gone lower. But the open interest on the put side was very heavily done by the large players at 14,700. So the large players lifted the index from 14,650 back to near 14,700 at the time of expiry. Now from here, what can happen in the coming week? Friends, I am expecting a big down move in the next 2 weeks. The down move which I have calculated is 10% from the all-time high of 15,400, which means around 1,500 points from the all-time high. We are still only 4% down from the all-time high, and my expectation is that in the coming 2 weeks Nifty may go down by 900 points, and a good chunk of those 900 points might come this week itself. So friends, as you can see the color of my t-shirt and can guess the mood of the market for the last 2 days, when it has been doing gap downs and breaking very fast on the downside. Now going ahead, I feel on Friday the market may not respect the level of 14,650. In fact, it may open gap down around 14,500 and in the first hour it may further go down also. In case it makes a down move in the first 1 hour, then friends, you need to be very careful about selling puts. But if the index goes down to around 14,400 by around 10:15 am, and if the VIX is very high, you can consider, and it would be the best strategy for the coming week, to sell 350 OTM call this Friday, coming Friday, and once you sell the call on Monday, if the market does another gap down and say goes down by 200 points from the Friday levels, then you can safely move the call which you have written, call which you have sold, you can shift it to 100 points lower call level and keep increasing the premium which you can earn during the week. The strategy one, which I have told in my earlier videos, would be the ideal one for next week. People who are well versed with options, who have pretty good idea of indicators and price action, can actually get into a strangle also if the market opens gap down and goes further down. They can create a strangle around 10:15 to 10:30 of 350 OTM call and put. The range, friends, next week, as I see, could be between 14,200 to 14,800. 14,800 being the critical resistance for the coming week. Now friends, out of the 900 points which I was talking about, if we go to the levels of 14,200 this week, then we would have already covered 500 points from the today's levels, and maybe another 400 points on the downside we may get in the last week of May, which is the monthly expiry. So friends, if you are a put seller, if you are not very well versed with adjustments and working in options, you should be careful in not taking a position on the put selling side. Instead, you can safely sell a 350 OTM call and keep shifting your position downwards to get more and more points during the week. That to me seems to be the best strategy for the coming week. Also friends, there was a gap of around 101 point when Nifty, while going up, did a gap up between 14,341. It opened at 14,442. So almost a gap of 101 points. My sense is saying that if Nifty opens gap down on Friday and goes further down, then by Monday it can actually cover this gap to go further down to the levels of 14,200, and it may reach the critical support level of 14,157, which up till now it has respected in April, and obviously it has not gone to that level in May, but it has to support the level of 14,150 to keep a range of 14,200 to 14,800 during the coming week. Now friends, some of the friends had a query that we don't have SL facility for overnight positions. So friends who are professionals or otherwise, if you are putting stop loss on Friday and if your stop loss expires when the market closes, then every next day, which means on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, at around 10:15 to 10:30, you need to open your position. Whatever premium is prevailing at that point in time, you have to shift your stop loss accordingly lower. So friends, that is the only way you can trail your stop loss and get profit. Another thing friends, very soon, maybe around from June 1, I would be starting my paid service and I would be creating very small groups of 25 people each, one group for Hindi following friends and one group for English following friends. I would let you know the fee for joining the paid course and I would inform you around 20th of May as to what would be the fee and who all can join. But friends, it will be only on the basis of first come. So friends, if you want to learn options, if you want to learn various indicators in great detail, I would be imparting that knowledge as well as I would be giving you the weekly overview and also some expiry special strangles to make good money nearer to the expiry. In case you are interested friends, you can message me at 90739 15315. You can join my free group for another 1 week or maybe 2 weeks, because I would be keeping my free group active till 27th of May and thereafter I would be shifting to the paid groups. So in case you are interested, you can always WhatsApp me on 90739 15315. Also friends, the markets today, the kind of weakness it has shown and breached the level of 14,700. It has closed below 14,700, while the expectation was that it would close almost 70 to 80 points higher. But it seems friends that from the higher levels the market is witnessing aggressive selling, probably from the large players, and this selling seems to be continuing in the coming week also. So friends, in summary, the next week may see a range of 600 points from 14,200 up to 14,800. The downside risk is far more than the upside move. So friends, the best strategy that you can deploy in the coming week is by selling 350 OTM call and keep shifting your positions by 50 points if the Nifty goes gap down by 100 points, or 100 points if the Nifty gaps down by 200 points. so that during the week you can keep increasing the points which you earn. And friends, I hope I have cleared the SL part and how to readjust it every next day. Friends, the coming week may be very volatile. The premiums would certainly be higher on Friday, and those who are having good knowledge of options and adjustments can actually enter a strangle position by getting good premium for the call and puts on Friday. And on the other hand, the friends who are still in the learning phase can actually take the safer strategy of selling 350 OTM call on Friday. Again, the VIX I feel would be higher in the morning of Friday, and you can get good premium to sell for the 350 OTM call. So friends, that is the weekly wrap, and again I am reminding you that I have a sense that in the coming 2 weeks the Nifty may show further 900 point decline from the level where we closed today, which means we might see levels of 13,800 also. So please be careful while selling the puts, as the market may very suddenly break down and selling may start within a short span of time. Friends, if you like my videos and if you like my strategies, share it with your friends so that they can also get the benefit of using the strategies and using the investment in Nifty Bs. That reminds me, friends, those of you who are now eager to average Nifty Bs at lower prices, for you this is the golden chance which will come in the next 2 weeks, where you can average and get Nifty Bs at lower prices. So friends, keep your money ready for investment in Nifty Bs also, and decide your strategy based on your risk appetite as far as option selling is concerned. If you like my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Please encourage me so that I can make better and better videos for you all. Friends, situation on the ground is not good, so stay safe, use double mask, keep sufficient distance, and save yourself and your families. Thank you very much, friends. Have a nice weekend and have a great week next week, full of profits. But friends, remember, profits will come if you are disciplined and you are understanding the strategy in totality, even if it means seeing my videos again and again to clear your doubts. Thank you very much, friends. Good night. Take care.